Assalam-o-Alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this lecture we are going to learn the important topic of CSS and which is float property. With CSS float, an element can be pushed to the left or right, allowing other elements to wrap around it. One question appear here. How are elements floated? Elements कैसे floated होते हैं? कैसे होंगे भाई? Elements are floated horizontally, okay? This means that an element can only be floated left or right, not up and down, okay? Elements can only be floated from left to right, not up and down, okay? This is the important point we can say. A floated element will move as far to the left or right as it can. Usually this means all the way to the left or right of the containing element. So let's do some example कुछ करते हैं for clearing or understanding the concept. Okay. अच्छा, आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि I have one h1 tag, one p tag and one image tag, and the output of this code is this. Okay. अगर मैं चेंज करती हूँ h1 tag की float value को, okay, and just changing the float value of h1 tag, and the value should be होनी चाहिए जी क्या left. If I run this, you can see what happened. Okay, I'm just changing the value of this. Okay, these elements are floated automatically. Okay, I'm not changing the value of these elements. Okay, these elements show ये right इनकी float property automatically होगी है. Okay, अच्छा, one thing always remember, the elements after the floating elements will be affected. Okay, the elements after, not before the floating elements will not be affected. Okay, after affected, before जो होते हैं वो not affected होते हैं. ठीक है. So how we can control it कि हमारे जो ये element है वो left ही रहे. Okay, I just want कि ये element इन पर कोई effect ना पड़े. Okay, how I can control this? So we will use clear property. And why we are using the clear property? We use the clear property in the p tag. Okay, we will use the clear property in the p tag left. I just want that okay, after p tag and p tag elements जो हैं all should be floated left. This clear property जो है indicating that nothing should appear after the p tag to the right of it. Okay. If I have run this, okay, as you can see कि वेलकम टू माय चैनल जो है this tag जो है वो should be on left side because the float property is left. Okay, and these two elements are not affected because I'm using the clear property. Okay, how we can control the float effect on another elements? We use the clear property. Okay, for the controlling float effect on another element means after the targeted element we should use the clear property. Okay, so that's it. If you enjoy the video and learn something from my video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting further video notification. Thank you so much.